everybody, welcome to this week's Chesa Sneak Peek. Now we are at Delta by Marriott and I am here with Kim Murden, who is our tourism manager. Now an exciting week is coming up. It is the National Travel and Tourism Week.
Yes.
And Kim, what can we expect from that? Tell us about it.
Well, National Travel and Tourism Week was actually started in 1983 under a congressional resolution, really to celebrate the importance of travel in the United States. The dates are May 5th through the 11th, and it's just a great opportunity for us to celebrate all things travel in Chesapeake. Travel is a really important industry for us here in Chesapeake. It's about a $363 million industry with folks coming in, investment in the city, and brings in about $13 million in taxes. So during this time, it's a great opportunity for us just to celebrate travel in Chesapeake, encourage our residents to get out and be a tourist in their own town and explore some of the many attributes that our visitors like to explore, as well as celebrate our tourism partners that we have here in Chesapeake.
Great. And so, like you said, you don't have to be an outsider to enjoy tourism in Chesapeake. You can live in the city and embrace everything that it has to offer.
Absolutely. And it's really a great opportunity. I think sometimes when you live in a destination, we sometimes get blinders on and we don't realize some of the wonderful things and opportunities that you have to do in the area that you live. Chesapeake is known for really a lot of our outdoor recreation. We have some amazing waterways to get out and paddle, as well as getting out on a lot of our trails, the miles of trails that we have nestled throughout the city. Along with that, there are other attractions, restaurants, retail that you can take advantage of, and just get the family out and have a good time.
Great. Well, we're looking forward to it. What are the dates again for this week?
May 5th through the 11th.
May 5th through the 11th. Now, also, you can mark your calendars for Restaurant Week, which will be happening in the fall of 2019. Great. And if you ever want more information about what to do in Chesapeake, you can stop by our visitor center, which is located in the heart of Greenbrier. Thanks so much, Kim.
Thank you.
Now, coming up this week in Chesapeake, we also have a bunch of wonderful things happening. You can head out to Northwest River Park on Wednesday from 10 a.m. to noon for the Library STEAM Day. Again, that's science, technology, engineering, art, and math activities that they will have out there. Food trucks on the square will also be on Wednesday at Courtyard Square Park behind City Hall, starting at 4 p.m. and going until dusk. There will also be free beginner yoga demo on that day from 6 to 6:45 p.m. at Western Branch Community Center. This will be for ages 16 and older. Nature Academy and Nature's Classroom will be at the Chesapeake Arboretum on Thursday. This will be from 9 to 11 a.m. It is for ages 5 through 12. And the theme of this month is Celebrate Earth. Rolling on the River will also be on Thursday at Elizabeth River Park starting at 5 p.m. That is your chance for some delicious food truck grub. And on Saturday, you can head on out to Western Branch Community Center for another free demo class. This time it is Women's Self-Defense. This one is for ages 13 and older, and it is from 8 to 9 a.m. Saturday from 9 a.m. to noon, you can head out to Southgate Shopping Center for Chesapeake Recycles Day, where you can bring all of your hard-to-recycle items. There is also a bird walk on Saturday on the Dismal Swamp Canal Trail, meeting at the Ballahack Boat Ramp. This is from 8:30 to 11 a.m. and we do ask that you register. It's open to all ages and it's free. And then Saturday evening, you can wrap up this day of fun activities by heading out to Northwest River Park for Skywatch with the Back Bay Amateur Astronomers, and they will be meeting starting at dusk. And then one last thing, make sure you get it on your calendars that our homeschool classes are starting this week. So if you're interested in signing up for any of these, we've got cheer, tumbling, tap jazz, and fit kids. We'd love to see you guys out there and have you participate. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you, Kim.
Thank you.
We'll see you next week.